Hey everybody, it's Saturday afternoon here and we are taking a ride through the new Alyssa Villas. These are located in the village of Citrus Grove. They just opened up a day or two ago and we have already noticed that a few of them are already pending. It's insane how fast they go. Also, a lot of them are still being worked on, but there's realtors in here. There's village sales agents in here. The construction workers are still in here. And although they're not all finished, they've got about 23 or so that are released for sale. That one's got a green garage. That's different. This seems to be a pretty big Patio Villa neighborhood. A lot more houses. And on this side, where they've got a retention pond behind them, are the bungalow villas that are a little bit more pricey than the patio villas. That one right there is sold. I saw it on the website. Or I should say pending. It seems now they don't even wait until the whole neighborhood is done before they start putting them up for sale. But this is what the pre-release looks like. You got workers here on a Saturday trying to get it done. It's a beautiful area. They got a lot of the Spanish oak trees. Real pretty. Lots going on around here. And this neighborhood is about a 10-minute golf cart ride from where we are in Bradford. Haven't seen much of the prices yet. Yeah, it looks like a lot of the homes are starting around $230,000, and probably this strip of homes, because they back up and they've got the fences behind them. They've got, I don't think there's a retention pond now that I see behind there. It looks like maybe just a meadow with the Spanish oaks behind it, but these can go up to about 40,000. I'm sorry, 400,000. These driveways look a little longer than in our neighborhood. And you can see ahead, the streets look a lot longer and more houses in this one. So it's a pretty good sized patio villa neighborhood. We've got that peekaboo thing in the backyard and a walking path behind these homes. We may or may not go into some of these because a lot of them we have already shared the floor plans with you. And we don't want people getting bored of watching the same old thing. Now this coming up is just gorgeous. All the greenery, that retention pond, Spanish oaks. Out there in the distance you can see the little white fence, and that is the pool and mailbox area. Well, I hope you enjoyed the quick tour through the new Alyssa, the village of Citrus Grove.